Mtazamaji, tukiendelea na taarifa zetu, mtumishi ama mkuu wa utumishi wa umma Felix Kosgei ametoa onyo kali kwa maafisa wa serikali ambao wanajihusisha na masuala ya ufisadi katika afisi zao. Na akizungumza baada ya kuhudhuria afisi za shirika la ubora wa bidhaa KEBS, Kosgei aliongeza kwamba serikali itawachukulia hatua kali za kisheria. Kwenye ziara hiyo, Kosgei alizindua mtambo maalum ambao utapima usawa wa bidhaa.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
As Kenya Bureau of Standards, we continue to push boundaries, adapt to changing needs, and drive positive change across industries. It is our hope that our value-added processes will have positive impact to our customers that we serve diligently.
Standards are foundations upon which successful trade relations are built, and they provide a common language and a set of benchmarks that ensure consistency, reliability, and trust in products and services.
The recent reported incidences, including the irregular and criminal release of condemned sugar to the public through the compromise of public officials, including KEBS staff, is apparent. It not only reflects on how our moral standards are fallen as a people, or how illegal money pursuits reign supreme over basic dignity and humanity, but more importantly, on how casually we hold the lives of our fellow human beings. This government has made itself abundantly clear that corruption will not be tolerated in any form. In keeping with the administration's governance ideals and pursuits, I am here today to reiterate the position that there shall be no such thing called orders from above. Ladies and gentlemen, this administration is clear. We have to root out this corruption.